Hello everyone, my name is Laura Daniela Padilla Sandoval and this is my English project. I'm making this video because I see the opportunity to talk about a man that changed a whole movement, a movement that is still very important after 50 years. The topics I'm gonna talk about are who was him, important things that he do, how he contributed to the Black movement, my personal ideas, and a conclusion. Who was him? He was a Baptist and civil rights activist that had an impact on the race relations in the USA. He won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964 and he participated in the bus boycott in 1955. This was the case of Rosa Parks, a 40 years old woman that refused to give her seat to a white man in the bus. He was part of the group that founded the Southern Christian Leadership Conference. This is an African American civil rights organization. I made a list with the things that he do, the important things that he do, but of course he did a lot more important things in his whole life. First, he promoted non-violence during his protests because the protests in that time used to be measured in blood and always ended up in riots. Second, he was a leader in the Montgomery bus boycott, like I said before, and he fought against segregation in Albany, Georgia. He was one of the organizers of the March of Washington in 1963, where he delivered his speech, I Have a Dream. In his speech, he talked about his wish about a future where the Black people and white people could coexist peacefully like equals. He was one of the organizers of the March of Washington in 1963, where he delivered his speech, I Have a Dream. In this speech, he talked about his wish of a future where Black people and white people could coexist peacefully like equals. He helped organize the Selma Montgomery March in 1965. The marches divided in 3 days. The first day it's called Bloody Sunday because the cops shooting at 70 people in the crowd. In the second day, the cops didn't let pass the crowd in the Edmund Pettus Bridge. And finally, in the third day, the President Lyndon B. Johnson gave green light to the right of vote for the Black people. And also he fought against American involvement in Vietnam War. How he contributed to the Black movement. He changed the point of view of the people about how to get peace. He demonstrated that no violence action can make a really big change than let the violence turn us into something even worse than the people that hurt us. Personally, sometimes I feel like all the things that Mr. King said really can help us and is the correct way to fight. But with the current situation in the USA, with all the Black Lives Matter movement, it seems like the only way to make us hear, the Black community, is with violence, like Malcolm X said. If the crowd wouldn't get mad about George Floyd's death and burning things in star riots, the government just never arrests the guilty. So, in conclusion, we can say that without Mr. King, the movement wouldn't be the same as how it is now, because his vision of life and ethical values made his fight a non-violent and peaceful movement. And then here are my references. And that's all. Thank you for watching and I hope that you enjoyed the video. And yeah, that's all. Goodbye.